Good day, everyone. I am Angelica Boyser, your reporter for today. I will be reporting the lesson 3, the set of integers and its subsets. Have you ever noticed that life is not just about simple counting? Sometimes we need numbers to describe opposites. Now, in this lesson, we have to make sure that we have obtained our goals. Number 1. Describe the set of integers. 2. Use positive and negative integers to describe directions or opposites in real life situations. 3. Locate integers on the number line. 4. Compare and order integers. Let's look at this image from our lesson. We have the aircraft, the sea, and submarine. The aircraft, it's flying high at 1,400 meters above sea level. In math, we call this positive number. The sea level. This is our starting point or the origin. It represents 0. The submarine, it is exploring 300 meters below sea level. This represents a negative number. What is an integer? An integer is a number that is either a positive whole number, negative whole number, or 0. Now, kindly look at the picture. This is called as the number line. The numbers from the left side, the negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. These are called as negative integers. While in the right side, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. They are called as positive integers. Now let us move on to the next slide. Whole numbers. These are numbers we use to count but we include 0. Natural numbers. These are numbers we use to count things and also called as counting numbers. Whole numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Natural numbers, like for instance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Next, the additive inverse or opposite of a number is the value you add to it to get 0. For example, negative 1 plus positive 1 equals 0. Negative 2 plus positive 2 equals 0. Negative 3 plus positive 3 equals 0. The number line shows that a number and its opposite are the same distance from 0. It is evident that positive 1 and negative 1 are both 1 unit away from 0. Positive 2 and negative 2 are both 2 units away from 0. And positive 3 and negative 3 are both 3 units away from 0. Quick check. 25 units away from 0. Answer is negative 25. Here are some expressions that connote positive number and their respective opposites that connote negative numbers. We have the positive and negative. Positive they have going north and negative going south. Going east, going west, moving forward, moving backward, going to the right, going to the left, moving upward, moving downward. Let's answer the question. Quick check. Number 1, 9 step forward. Forward is cannot positive. The answer is positive 9. Number 2, 10 meters below sea level. Below cannot negative. The answer is negative 10. In comparing two integers using a number line, the one at the left has the lesser value. Equivalently, the one at the right has a greater value. For example, 2 is less than positive 3. Negative 1 is less than 0. 0 is greater than negative 4. 0 is less than positive 2. Negative 2 is greater than negative 5. Positive 2 is greater than negative 2. Let us find out the answer. Number 1. What is the answer? Very good. Greater than. Number 2. Less than. How about number 3? Very good. Less than. In comparing two integers using a number line with their integers or fractions or decimals, the one at the left has the lesser value, equivalently the one at the right has a greater value. For example, negative 11 over 4 is less than negative 2. Let us practice, but before answering, let us read the direction and look at the number line below in order for us to answer the following question. Represent each item as either a positive or negative integers. Number 1. 50 meters above sea level. The answer is positive 50. Number 2. A loss of 30 pesos. The answer is negative 30. Walking 15 blocks to the north. The answer is positive 15. Identify the pair of integers and indicate. Number 1. 1 unit from 0. The answer is positive 1 and negative 1. Number 2. 2 units from 0. The answer is positive 2 and negative 2. Number 3. 3 units from 0. The answer is positive 3 and negative 3. Compare the integers and supply the correct symbol using greater than, less than, or equal. Number 1. Positive 17 blank positive 16. The answer is greater than. Number 2. 0 blank positive 8. The answer is less than. Arrange the set of integers in ascending order. Ascending order means less to greatest order. Number 1. Positive 9, negative 9, positive 10, negative 10, negative 15. The answer is negative 15, negative 10, negative 9, positive 9, and positive 10. Number 2. Negative 12, positive 21, positive 2, negative 21, and negative 10. The answer is negative 21, negative 12, negative 10, positive 2, and positive 21. Arrange the set of integers in descending order. Descending order means greatest to least order. Number 1. Positive 195, positive 100, negative 100, negative 59, negative 60, and positive 60. The answer is positive 195, positive 100, positive 60, negative 59, negative 60, and negative 100. Number 2. Negative 145, negative 451, positive 501, negative 105, and positive 150. The answer is positive 501, positive 150, negative 105, negative 145, and negative 451. Identify the pair of integers described in each item. In getting the pair, we have to subtract first and add. Number 1. 2 units from 7. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So the answer is positive 5 and positive 9. Number 2. 6 units from negative 5. How about number 2? Negative 5 minus 6 equals negative 11. Negative 5 plus 6 equal 1. So the answer is negative 11 and positive 1. Use a number line and employ counting to complete the table below, given direction of movement, number of units, Start at negative 6. We have to locate the negative 6. Where's negative 6 found? Left? Yes, on the left side of the number line. How about the direction movement from negative 6 to negative 4? Yes, right. Next, we have to find the number units. The given is at end of negative 4. From negative 6, we have to jump 2 times to the right. The two jumps represent as the 2 units. So the answer is right, 2 units. How about number 2? Left? How many jump from negative 7 to negative 10? Yes, 5 units. The answer is left, 5 units. I am Angelica Boyser. Thank you for watching.